Oblique asymptotes of the general algebraic curve. Let's see some questions. Question number 1. We are given the curve x cubed plus 3x square y minus 4y cube minus x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Now, we have to check the coefficients of highest powers of x and y. Since they are constants, so we can say that there are no asymptotes parallel to x and y axis. Now we have to evaluate, or we have to find out oblique asymptotes. For this purpose, we put x equal to 1 and y equal to m in third power, second power, and first power of x or y, or overall power, like here x cube, third power, this is 2 power of x, and 1 power of y is third power, this is third power, this is first power, this is first power, so like this. So let's consider third degree terms, or third power. Third degree term is x cube, and this is 3x square y, and this is 4y. So let's denote it as phi 3m. And we put x equal to 1. So this will become 1, this will become 3m, because x is 1, y is m. And then this will become 4m cube. Now we take second degree term. Here second degree term is absent. So we write phi 2m is equal to 0. Now first degree terms, only these two terms are there. So phi 1m, we write x equal to 1 and y equal to m. So minus 1 plus m. Now we put this term equal to 0, phi 3m equal to 0. To get the values of m, and that are the roots. And they will represent the slopes of the asymptotes. So here phi 3m equal to 0, that is 1 plus 3m minus 4m cube equal to 0. If we apply guess method here, so if we put m equal to 1, we will get 1 plus 3 minus 4. So this will be 0. It means m equal to 1 is one root. So we can find another root. So let's write m minus 1 3 times, because highest power is 3, m minus 1, m minus 1, and m minus 1 equal to 0. We try to fill the space. So here we fill it in reverse way. So here we write minus 4m square. So this will make it minus 4m cube. And here inside, if we multiply, it will give minus 4m square times minus 1, that is 4m square. And that term is absent. So here we must have 4m. So this will become minus 4m square. And from here, this is 4m square plus. So that will cancel out. And here there is minus 1. And here result is 1. So we need minus 1 here. Now, from here we get 4m square plus 4m plus 1 equal to 0, because negative sign is there, so that is taken common. And m minus 1 equal to 0, so that has already given m equal to 1. So if we factorize it, this is 2m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So from where we get two values of m as minus half, minus half. This is case of repeated root. Now we evaluate the derivatives of phi 3 dash m and derivatives of phi 3m and phi 2m, and then we will apply the formula for getting c. So Here we have got the values. So I will write these values separately. Three values of m we have got, and other things I am deleting. So m has three values: 1, minus half, minus half. Now we find phi dash m, phi 3 dash m. So we differentiate it. This will become 3 minus 12 m square. And if you find its second derivative, phi 3 double dash m, so this will be minus 24 m. And we have formula for first root is for first m. We can find c. So c will be equal to phi 2 m divided by phi 3 m dash with the negative sign. So we put the values. So phi 2 m we have got it 0. So answer is 0. Now for m equal to 1, we have evaluated the value of c. So let's write c correspondingly. So here c equal to 0. Now for m equal to minus half, we are going to get c. But since there are two values of m as minus half, then we have to apply formula for getting the value of c. So formula for this purpose, we write c square upon factorial 2 times phi 3 double dash m plus c times phi 2 dash m plus phi 1 m is equal to 0. Now we put the values. C square upon factorial 2 is 2 and phi 3 double dash. Phi 3 double dash is minus 24 m. So we write it here minus 24 m plus c times phi 2 dash m. Since phi 2 is 0, so its derivative will also be 0. So it is 0 plus phi 1 m. It is minus 1 plus m minus 1 plus m equal to 0. So here we simplify it. So this will become, we are given m equal to minus half. So if we put this value here, c square by 2 into minus 24 into minus half minus 1 plus m is minus half here also. So minus half equal to 0. So this will become c square by 2, this is 12. So c square into 12 divided by 2, and this will become minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Or here this will become 6. 6c square equal to 3 by 2. C square equal to 3 by 12. C square equal to 1 by 4, or C equal to plus minus half. So we have got the values for values of C corresponding to m equal to minus half and minus half. So first value, let's write plus 1 by 2, and second value we write minus 1 by 2. And then we write the equations of asymptotes. So equations of asymptotes will be y equal to mx plus c. So for first value, y will be m is 1 and x is x and c is 0. So y equal to x. This is first asymptote. Second asymptote, y equal to m is minus half x and c is plus half. This is second asymptote. And we can simplify by multiplying to each term, but let's keep it here. And then third asymptote will be y equal to m is again minus half x and c is minus. So these three equations represent three asymptotes of the given curve. Now let's take another question. So next question is, we are given the equation 2x cubed minus x square y minus 2xy square plus y cube plus 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. We have to find out asymptote. Here, first of all, we have to check the coefficients of highest powers of x and y. Here, this is 2, this is 1, so they are constant. So we say that there are no asymptotes parallel to x and y axis. So asymptotes parallel to x and y axis are absent. Now we consider oblique asymptotes. So we consider highest degree terms. So here highest degree is 3, then second degree, then first degree. We will write the equations. So let's represent them. Phi 3m means terms containing degree 3. And we are going to put x equal to 1 and y equal to m. So here it will become 2. This will become m. Then this is third degree term also. So this will become minus 2m square, and this will become m cube. So this is pi 3m. Now second degree term means pi 2m. So pi 2m, this term, and this term. So x equal to 1. So this is 2. This will become minus 7m, and this will become 3m square. Now we consider first degree term. Only these two terms are there. So pi 1m will be 2, x equal to 1 and y equal to m plus 2m. Now we find the slopes of asymptotes. So by equating this equal to 0, so let's put it equal to 0. So pi 3m equal to 0. When pi 3m equal to 0, so 2 minus m minus 2m square plus m cube equal to 0. Here, if we put m equal to, suppose 1. So m equal to 1, this will become 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. This will give 0. It means m equal to 1 is 1 root. If we put m equal to minus 1, so what do we get? 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. This is again 0. It means second root is m equal to minus 1. And let's again apply guess method. So if we put m equal to 2, so 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 square plus 2 cube. This will again give 0. It means we have got all three roots, m equal to minus 1, 1, and 2. So we write these values here. And other methods are also there to find out the values of it, and that you have already studied. So let's write corresponding values of it. Here values are not there, and then we have to find out corresponding values of C also. So minus 1, 1, 2. Now to get C, let's apply formula and then we evaluate. So C is given by minus pi 2m divided by pi 3 dash m. We put the values. Pi 2m is this. 2 minus, negative sign outside, 2 minus 7m plus 3m square divided by pi 3 dash. So if we differentiate it, this will give minus 1, this will give minus 4m plus 3m square. Now, This is value of C. We are given C here m equal to -1 and then m equal to 1. So let's get the value of C corresponding to value -1. So C will be equal to -2 minus 7 into -1 plus 3 into -1 square divided by -1 minus 4 into -1 plus 3 into -1 square. So if we simplify it, we will get -2. So we have got value of C corresponding to minus value of M, like -1 is -2. Now, let's find out the value of C for M equal to 1. The same equation we have to use because there is no repetition of roots. So again, we put the values. So C equal to, when M equal to 1. When M equal to 1, so this will become -2 minus 7 into 1 plus 3 into 1 divided by -1 minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So this time we will get -1. Now, so we can write it here -1. Now let's take the value of M as 2 and we put here. So C will be this time for M equal to 2 minus 2 minus 7 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square divided by -1 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square. So if we simplify, we will get 0. So we have got 0. Now, as we know that oblique asymptotes are y equal to mx plus c. So 3 asymptotes are possible for m equal to -1, c equal to -2. So suppose y equal to, this is first asymptote, y equal to -x and -2. For this value, y equal to x minus 1. And for last one, when m equal to 2, so third asymptote will be y equal to 2x plus c is 0. So these three are the oblique asymptotes. Thank you for watching.